For us today to New Yorker?
We can do a lot of times when Sean and I perform, we do
Okay.
a word piece.
Uh-huh.
So we go from a word piece into an instrumental piece.
Let's do it. So, okay, go for it. Okay. Go, let's go. Should I make some noises next to you?
Sure, you can.
Yeah, how's that? I like to participate. How's
Okay.
that? So go ahead, guys.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling.
My son John.
My son John.
Diddle,
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 dumpling.
diddle.
My son
Diddle,
John.
dumpling, John.
Went to
My
bed.
son John. Diddle, dumpling.
Went to bed with
Went
his
to bed
trousers
with his
on.
trousers on.
Went to bed.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling. My
One
son
shoe
John
off.
went to bed with
One
his
shoe
trousers
off.
on. One shoe
One
off.
shoe off.
One shoe on.
The
One
other
shoe off.
shoe
One
on.
shoe on. One shoe off. One shoe
One
on.
shoe
One
on.
One shoe on.
One shoe off.
One shoe on. One shoe off.
One shoe
One shoe
on.
on.
One shoe
One
off.
shoe off.
One shoe
One
on.
shoe on.
I'm not taking my shoe
One
off.
shoe off.
I have shoes too.
One shoe on.
Diddle, diddle,
I have a
dumpling.
shoes.
Shoe off.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling.
shoe off.
Diddle, diddle, dumpling.
One shoe
Diddle,
on.
diddle, dumpling.
One
Is it
shoe
Chinese
off.
dumpling?
Diddle,
Diddle,
dumpling.
diddle, dumpling.
Oh,
My
Japanese
son
dumpling.
John.
Beautiful. I like the dumpling sounds actually. Is that about dumpling, right? And shoestring?
It's about dumplings and
Dumpling
shoes.
sound.
Go ahead.
I like the dumpling sounds.
Diddle, dumpling.
Very homey. Awesome. Oh, great. So what else? It's your time. You're my guest. So what else? What else you can? What is that? What is that, by the way?
Where? Oh,
Some-
this?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
a nursery rhyme.
Oh, I see. Okay. Also, David, you're an artist too, right?
Mhm.
So tell me about your art.
Uh,
I know you do a lot of art.
the art came out of
Mm-hmm.
wanting to do a diary.
Uh-huh.
So it became
Interesting.
a visual diary,
Uh-huh.
and it grew and grew and grew over the years, and I just kept painting and painting and painting, and I would do hundreds of paintings.
Good.
And
Good.
just every painting led to the next painting, and I just continue, and I make flyers, and
Oh,
I do.
really? Okay. But how did they come up with it? What's the first thing you inspired using the balloon, or tell me about it? When did you begin, or which one makes you so inspired when you pick up the balloon, or
I
from
think
children?
everything centers around emotion.
Uh-huh.
So I find that to be an incredibly emotional instrument, the balloon.
When I watched your show in the village, I thought there was something very simple, very original and creative, and people very very familiar about the balloon because children birthday,
That's
but
true.
yet no one really use. People reuse, but
Right.
not much like use much what you
That's true. There
playing
are
as an
some
art.
composers
Yeah.
that
So
do use the balloon, and there are a lot of improvisers that also use the balloon.
yeah,
But
so I thought that's very interesting for the creative art, for the New Yorker. New Yorker would love to discover some hidden talent,
That's true.
Sean is second time, so you are not virgin anymore. Excuse me. It's not virgin, but he is. Huh?
Uh-oh.
good. Because I create here. Every single time I come, it's a different show.
Right.
I almost never repeat the same thing. So today it's a new combination with the Sean and you. It's very something new. Also sounds very different.
It
Than different creation comes
That's
with.
a lot how we approach music,
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
We have a lot
Yeah,
of same
exactly.
sounds and a
Yeah.
vocabulary and a
Right,
language,
right.
but
Yeah.
always
never
different.
really repeated a set.
Yeah, but also I watched the Sean's. He has very political, strong statement of
Oh, that's true. Your work pieces,
poetry.
Right.
With his bass. I thought it's very different new side of you.
Yeah,
I
a lot
did
of sides.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
I'm not political,
have three
crazy.
sides.
Yeah, but
At
all right.
least.
So I thought it's very interesting. Also, another way to look at it. I mean, to see you, and so it's, just always discuss something. Okay, so what else? I mean, I was going to concentrate on some art, but I just so drawn to you guys, beautiful sounds.
Why don't you take a balloon?
Okay.
And we can do a balloon piece.
Okay, how's that?
Make
Let
that
me.
balloon too.
Yeah.
Okay,
This one's also-
I like to have this color. How's that? Okay. So we're gonna have a balloon time, right? So am I? Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's see. Let's 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow, that's really. Hold on one second. I like that. Are you gonna give me? Are you gonna give me? Are you happy with that?
I am.
Or you're unhappy?
No, I'm happy.
Really? I want to be the last that pop up at the Nordivision on air. Has a the last one is good one, right?
good
Yeah. Unexpected, yes.
That was unexpected. That was good.
But he noticed that. Sharon noticed that. I was almost going to do a little, but I was looking for your. I was looking for your. I was make sure you're not mad at me.
I
So.
wouldn't do that.
That's good. Can I give it to my balloon?
Mhm.
In fact, I used a little bit,
Okay.
but I'm very healthy person,
right.
so take that. So let's go next one. It was amazing. I love that.
That was wild.
It was wild. Don't get upset.
I'm not upset.
I get the
No,
balloon.
I'm
He's
not
actually
upset.
really upset.
Really?
Yes,
He is?
No.
One day it's gonna be blow anyway.
It's true. I'm honestly not upset.
Good, good. Wow, that was interesting moment, wasn't it?
It was.
It was really. Look at your face.
That's the
you,
laughter that
That
conceals
is.
tears.
you
That's
look,
true.
it's very
There was $1.50 gone.
plus tax
Plus tax. That's
interest.
True. That's true.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go next one. Okay, so thanks for watching Nori Vision. We soon to be go, but we're gonna keep playing. But it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this. This I promise you, I'm gonna play with
Okay.
the brush. Wow. Okay. Let's keep playing for the end, toward the end. So we're gonna wrap up. Yeah, beautiful. It's beautiful.
That was very nice.
I really enjoy,
Yeah.
participating in your,
Yeah, it was fun.
music. It's beautiful.
Same here.
Yeah, it hurt me. I'm sorry to break the, break the balloon.
Oh,
You
it
really-
happens.
Yeah.
No, I mean, am I upset?
sure you're
No,
upset?
I'm not upset at
I
all.
hope not.
I'm not. I have.
You're not the first person to.
Did it?
Honestly,
Oh.
not. Look, there
But
are
still,
more
there was
big
one
balloons.
most.
See, look, there's just.
Oh my God! Thank God! I'm so glad.
I'm not-
Yay!